What's up, lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to make a world map presentable in Power BI. So first of all, we would like to see like what data that we are going to use. So the data that we are going to use is Summer Olympics data. I'm going to show you the data set over here. So the data set is here and we are going to use this data set for our Power BI session. So the data set is all about the Summer Olympic medalist from 1896 to 2008. You can see there are various columns present into this data set. For example, the city, the edition, after that the sports, what the sports that the particular participant or the particular medalist have been played, after that the discipline, whether it's a swimming or it's athletics, after that the athlete name like the Hojos Alfred and many others. After that the NOC is nothing but the country code, you can say over here. After that the gender is like for whether the participant is a man or woman. After that event, like it is a 100-meter freestyle or it's a 100-meter hurdle or it's a discus throw, like many other events are there. After that the event gender, whether it's a male or female. M stands for male and F stands for female, and the medal that have been won by a particular athlete or particular participant, whether it's a gold, silver or bronze. After that the country, like which country the medalist is from, like if he or she is from Hungary, Austria, Greece, many other. So all the countries have been stored in this particular column. So this is the data set that we are going to use for our today's Power BI session. So let's jump onto our Power BI window and let's see how to make a world map presentable in Power BI. So firstly I would like to tell some applications of world map. For example, like we can use the world map to see the sales country wise or the area wise. We can also use the world map to see the profit country wise or area wise, or we can also use the Olympics data that we are using right now. So the question that we are going to use over here is like I would like to see the medalist according to the country. So for this I would be requiring two columns over here, the country column and the medal column. So I am going to drag and drop the country onto the task window, and the same thing I am going to do with my medal column. So you can see over here, because of the countries present into that particular column, so it's already giving me a world map. So if it is not giving you a world map, you just have to go to the visualization pane and you have to select world map from there. So you can see a world map is coming up over here. So it will be showing us particular medals won by according to the country. So we are going to see how to make it more presentable. So you just have to go to the format window and there are many other options available. For example, in general you can change the position or you can change the size of your particular graph, like the height and the width. After that, if we go to the data colors, then we can change the colors of our legends. For example, if I want to change gold to yellow, then it will going to change, like you can see the gold has been changed to yellow. And if I want to change the silver to the red one, then you can see the silver has been changed into red one. So as like this only, you can also make some more changes and you can also make your graph more presentable. And you can see over here small bubbles are coming up which are showing the particular medals. So the bubble size can also be increased from here. The default bubble size is -10. We can also increase the bubble size and we can take it to 012. Yes, you can see over here the bubble size is getting increased over here. So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with us. Take care. Bye bye.